I turned a basic script into a fully polished YouTube video. No camera, no expensive software, no stress. All I used was Vidnoz AI. In this tutorial, I'm walking you through every step so you can do it too. No fluff, just a straightforward, step-by-step guide. It's simpler than you'd expect. How Vidnoz AI helps. Time is precious, and this tool helps you save it. You just need an internet connection. Vidnoz will handle the rest. The free version gives you 1 minute of video, perfect for TikTok and Instagram Reels, while the paid plans offer longer duration of videos, voice cloning, and custom branding. In all versions, you will have access to hundreds of AI avatars, templates, and realistic voices. Let's now take a closer look at how it all works. Getting started with Vidnoz AI. 1. Accessing the site. Fire up your browser and head on over to vidnoz.com. To create videos, you would need to sign up from the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email and create a strong password. The last step is verification. They send you a 6-digit code to your email just to confirm you are human and not a rogue AI trying to explore its artistic side. Once that's done, you are free to create your videos too. Navigating the home screen. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Here's what you'll see in the homepage. Hundreds of pre-made templates in both landscape and portrait orientations. If you have created videos or templates in the past, they will be stored here under My Templates. You'll also get to see AI avatars with different appearances that are customizable. There's an option of voice cloning that is visible, which allows you to create a digital version of your voice that can be used in your videos. Scrolling down, we can see other AI tools made available by Vidnoz, including AI text-to-speech, face swap, video translator, and much more. Template selection. The first step is to select a template. Templates are useful in helping you create a video quicker, as you can select from predefined options. Here, the choices for templates are so enormous that you might spend more time browsing through them than creating your video. You can also filter the templates by category. For example, if you're creating tutorial videos, like we're doing now, you can find templates from that category to use. There are different types of templates available, so you can choose the one that suits your needs. Once you select a template, you can customize everything: the text, the background, and whatever else you want to change. For the purposes of this video, let's choose something from the tutorial template section, like the How to Improve Leadership Skills. Scroll through the templates, or use the search bar to find the This Template. Once located, click on the Use This Template button, which loads this template onto your workspace avatar customization. Once you've chosen the template, now is the time to customize the avatar that will deliver your script. In the top left of your page, you will see the Avatar option, which you can click to change the pre-selected avatar from your template. There are 3 choices to make when it comes to avatars. Based on how sophisticated you want your avatar to be, you have to choose between Avatar Lite, Avatar Pro, and Talking Photo. Avatar Lite has basic avatars with simpler features. Avatar Pro models are more advanced and come with additional customization options. Talking Photo feature allows you to upload a static photo and animate it to simulate speech. In Avatar Pro and Avatar Lite, you will see a range of characters from professional figures, such as business people or doctors, to casual characters. Choose a character that fits your video's themes. As an example, if you are making a video about business strategies, select an avatar who is professional looking. You can also adjust the position of the avatar by dragging it around the screen. Place it where it looks the most natural in that template. You can also choose different avatar styles, such as half body, square head, or circle head. These styles allow you to control how much of the avatar is visible in your video. There is also an option of voice only to eliminate the presence of the avatar and only have the voiceover if you so prefer. Other customizations. At the top, besides avatar, you will see many other options like text, from which you can overlay words on your video. Click on what kind of text you would want added: title, subtitle, or paragraph. Once chosen, you can change the font type, size, color, and style. To make the text more dynamic, click on the Animation tab. Here you can add effects like text fade-ins or movement. You can also add shapes from the Shape option or even incorporate a background. Background can be chosen from the stock images or you could upload your own. You can also add overlay effects to the background if it adds to the visual appeal of your video. Make sure these shapes and backgrounds align with the focus of your video. Remember that a serene beach scene background might not fit your corporate training video, unless you're subtly suggesting everyone needs a vacation. There is also an option to add music to your video. Click on the Music tab, browse through Vidnoz AI's music library to find the perfect track. If you have a specific track in mind, upload it using the Upload Music option. Once you've selected a track, adjust the volume to ensure it balances well with the voiceover. Too loud, and it will overshadow the voice. Too quiet, and it might go unnoticed. You can also record yourself in a video and add it to your content through the Record option in the top right end of the page. Creating the script. Once you have finalized your template and avatar, now you can focus on your script. At the bottom of the page, you will find a text box where you can type what you want the avatar to say. If you have written a script, insert it here and you can hear the avatar say it. Make sure to keep the message as simple and concise as possible to engage the attention of the viewer. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple. Type or paste the following into the script box. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to improve leadership skills. You can also create a script using AI script generation. For example, let's set the tone to professional, choose the language, and describe the video as a leadership improvement strategies. The AI will generate a script, and you can apply it to the video. If you are using the free version, make sure the content fits to 60 seconds, as anything over it will require access to premium versions. Choosing the voiceover. You can also alter the voice that will be reading your script. In the bottom part of the page in the text box, you can choose the voiceover by selecting the current voice option displayed, such as English, US, Christopher in our chosen template. From there, you can choose from a wide variety of accents and also select the gender you want and the emotion the avatar must be portraying while speaking your content. There are even options allowing you to change the supplier, scenario, profession, and age. Click on the play button to preview how the voice will sound. Beyond this, the premium version also has an option to clone your voice, where you can lend your own voice to any content you make. Next to the current voice option, there is also another facility called Options, where you can alter the speed, pitch, and the volume to your liking. You can also choose to add subtitles if you see fit. Once you have chosen the template, avatar, written the script, and finalized the voiceover, your video is almost complete. Preview. Before finishing your video, you can use the preview button to watch your content and see if any alterations need to be made. Make sure that the timing of the video, the appearance of the text, and the sounds of the voiceover, along with the movements of your avatar, are synchronized. If not, now would be a good time to make changes. Generating your video. You are at the finish point now. All you need to do is click the Generate button, and Vidnoz will process the video. This may take a few minutes depending on the complexity of the video. After the rendering is complete, you'll get a notification in your mail and the video will be ready to download or share. To look and download your video, you can click on the My Creations tab. This is where you'll find all the videos you've made. To view a video, click on the thumbnail, which will allow you to play the video. Once you're ready to download, click the Download button. If you are using the free version, you can download your video in 720p quality. For higher resolution options, you will need to upgrade to the Pro plan. I hope this tutorial has demystified a straightforward way to turn your scripts into polished videos without breaking a sweat. If you found value in this tutorial, do like and subscribe. Did you know you can make over $90,000 by creating YouTube Shorts using automation? Click on this video to find out how.